Precision glue. In the meantime, we are getting your butterflies out. First top, I am taking the red cap off so I can fill in all the gap and the edges. Hey Capri, hey, how are you, love? Thanks so much for tuning in. It's so good to see all of you. Between this. And then cure for 60 seconds. Go on to the next one. I really like this design, the chamfer foil, I mean, and the fusioning. Don't you think it looks better with the right here? You're right here. There you go. This one's super cute. I'm just checking it. You only feel it when it is scratchy like this. If you're not feeling it scratchy, then it should be sealed completely with condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat, then no needed. Here, that one for 60 seconds. And on this, it stayed really nice along with the C curve of your nails. And then it's so completely sealed with condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat and no wetness and then tacky layer underneath at all. Sometimes I'm going to the paddles right here and I seal it in so then it will not catching my hair. Not necessary if you don't feel it. If you feel it, you can absolutely use it. And I'm using my twin tip brush and just kind of give it a quick blend. My precision glue along with the flowers. There you go. And I'm gonna feel the crystal. Oh, and one thing is our team is pre-made this one and handmade, and we already have a crystal ready in the center. Some of them you don't see the crystal in there just because that you can use it encapsulating like underneath of your acrylic and powders or your poly gels or hard gels. So like basically you can cap it over. But the majority of them are designed to be on the top that have a crystal ready for you. Make sure you don't throw this red cap away because it will keep your 3D, your precision brush and precision glue gel last so much longer. Hold on. Da da da. Here you go. This is adorable. Yeah. Yeah. Something. I should zoom in. Oh my god, I have so many things I want to share with you. I even want to do a weaver gel. We have to save it for tomorrow. I want to share everything with all of you. And also this super cute butterflies.